In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch Hulu on your Meta Quest 3 so you can enjoy your favorite shows and movies in virtual reality. Let's get started. To watch Hulu on your Meta Quest 3, start by downloading the Hulu app from the Meta Store. Open the store on your headset, search for Hulu, and install the app. Once installed, launch the Hulu app and sign in with your account credentials, or create a new account if needed. You can now stream Hulu content directly in VR, with the option to adjust the virtual screen size for a more immersive experience. If the Hulu app isn't available on the Meta Quest 3, use the Meta browser to access Hulu.com. Sign into your account and stream content in a virtual theater environment. For the best experience, ensure your headset is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy streaming Hulu on your Meta Quest 3.